Rev up your engines and get ready to take your driving experience to a whole new level. We're about to dive into the world of automotive innovation and explore the 12 coolest car gadgets that are absolutely worth adding to your collection. Whether you're a speed demon, a tech enthusiast, or just someone who wants to make their daily commute a little more exciting, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Number 12. Amateur Radio Transceiver. If you've ever dreamed of having a classic radio transceiver in your car, this one is a great choice. It's made especially for hobbyists and is super small and easy to set up. It comes with a long power cord and a removable faceplate for added convenience. This radio covers a wide range of frequencies, which is great for hobbyists. It can handle both VHF and UHF standards. The tuning dial is large and easy to use, allowing you to switch frequencies comfortably and accurately. You can choose between 2 or 4 kilohertz steps. The hand microphone, which is about the size of your palm, is connected by a fairly long wire. Thanks to the DSP noise cancellation feature, your voice comes through as clearly as possible, even in noisy environments. Plus, you have the option to upgrade this radio with various extra accessories and tuners to suit your needs. It's a versatile gadget for any amateur radio enthusiast. This will cost you $623. Number 11. LED car cup holder. Spruce up your car's interior with this eye-catching cup holder accessory. It's a unique way to display your favorite car brand. These coasters cater to various tastes, offering a wide range of logo options to choose from. What's really cool is that they light up in a beautiful glow-in-the-dark effect thanks to their RGB capability. Moreover, the lights have 7 bright colors and different lighting modes. You can switch between them easily using the built-in buttons. Plus, there's a special sensor that turns on the light when it senses vibration. When there's no movement, it automatically turns off. This is an important feature for a coaster, isn't it? And here's a bonus. It's completely waterproof. Charging is a breeze too, thanks to the micro USB interface. With just one charge, you can use it for up to 15 days. Each package comes with a set of 2 pieces. This accessory is both functional and stylish. This will cost you $30. Number 10. Side view camera. Alternative. This electronic mirror is like having a seasoned driver by your side. Instead of just showing the rear view, it covers all sides of the car, getting rid of blind spots. The mirror links to a set of 4 high-definition cameras. There's a sizable touchscreen for clear images and settings adjustments. You can tweak the angle for each camera, change video quality, and access your recordings. Additionally, the mirror comes with 2 32GB SD cards. Here's a bonus. It automatically activates the correct camera when you turn or change lanes. Lexus recently added similar features to its top-notch cars. They've replaced both side view mirrors with high-resolution cameras, each connected to its own large monitor. This setup is a great help when parking. This will cost you $119. Number 9. Car coat hanger. This coat hanger is a practical addition if your car lacks ample hanging space. Made from clean wood, it blends seamlessly with any car's interior. With a width of nearly 18 inches, or about 45.72 centimeters, it can easily accommodate coats and jackets of various sizes. What sets it apart is how it attaches to the removable headrest, differentiating it from smaller hangers. Unlike its counterparts, this hanger securely holds the shoulders of your jacket in place. It's sturdy enough to support multiple coats or jackets at once, potentially freeing up a passenger seat. This accessory not only adds functionality, but also enhances the overall practicality and aesthetics of your car. The approximate price of this coat hanger is $60. Number 8. Alexa for Cars Echo. Auto is a clever device that seamlessly brings Alexa into your car. Equipped with 8 built-in microphones, it ensures that Alexa can hear you clearly, even amidst the hustle and bustle of road noise and music. Curious about what Alexa can do on the go? She's your source for up-to-date news and weather updates. Need some entertainment? She's got you covered with music or even an audiobook. Plus, she can manage your calls, allowing you to keep your attention on driving. This compact gadget easily attaches to the air vent, and setting it up is a breeze. To get started, connect Echo to your car's USB and aux ports to make use of the car's speakers. Then pair it with your smartphone through the Alexa app. This means you can fully enjoy the convenience of Alexa while you're on the road. The price is just $5. Number 7. Car cleaning gel. This special cleaning gel is something you may not have known you needed, but it's incredibly useful. It solves the problem of dust accumulating inside your car. Its unique texture allows it to reach into all the tight spots like vents, cup holders, and various crevices. Using it is a breeze. Just press the gel onto the surface, give it a gentle roll, and then pull it off. It's really that simple. The gel is made from a special skin-friendly material, so you don't have to worry about it sticking to your hands. Even though the piece might seem small, it actually extends to more than 9 inches. And here's a bonus. Each piece can be used multiple times until it starts to get darker in color. In fact, the package includes 4 of these pieces, each in a different color and fragrance. You can choose from blueberry, grape, strawberry, and lemon. I'm willing to bet that using this cleaning gel feels super pleasant to the touch. You can get it for $2. Number 6. Car HUD Dual System Head-Up Display. This multifunctional gadget goes beyond offering clear information on a heads-up display. Once plugged into the OBD2 socket, it provides a wealth of valuable data beyond just speed and fuel consumption. You can monitor crucial factors like water and oil temperature, along with turbine pressure. It even allows you to perform instant diagnostics for any engine errors. With its GPS mode, you can conduct tests for speed and brake performance, providing a comprehensive assessment of your car's condition. The built-in LCD display is remarkably bright, ensuring visibility even in direct sunlight. There are also a variety of sleek interfaces to choose from, enhancing the user experience. Additionally, Mazda has introduced a similarly sophisticated concept that may find its way into their future cars, showcasing their commitment to innovative and elegant automotive technology. The price for this item is $45. Number 5. SUV Tire Chain. Winter poses a big challenge for driving due to ice and snow. This can be a headache even for experienced drivers. However, there's a straightforward solution: tire chains. They're the easiest way to significantly enhance traction without needing any special tools. Just follow the illustrated instructions to put the chain in the right position. The self-tightening ratchets will adjust the chain to the tire automatically, ensuring a quick and centered fit. This leads to smooth and quiet driving. The only trade-off is a speed limit, but that's a minor concern. These chains work for various types of cars, trucks, and SUVs. This item is available for $198. Number 4. Snow Car Cover Socks. For an even smoother driving experience, there are these cute snow socks. They're easy to install and come with special gloves and a storage bag in the package. This item is available for $35. Number 3. Car and Motorcycle Rear End Alarm Laser. On rainy or foggy days, poor visibility can be a major concern for car owners. Fortunately, there's a solution at hand: a powerful laser light designed to enhance visibility. Installing it is a breeze thanks to the included mounting bracket, and you have the flexibility to choose the ideal placement at the rear of your car. Its vivid red color ensures that it remains highly visible even in challenging weather conditions. In addition to its primary function, this laser light provides a warning pattern for potentially risky situations. For those looking to add a touch of creativity to their lighting setup, there's an animated option offering a selection of 6 different patterns to choose from. This makes it a blend of both functionality and style. The rotatable design allows for easy mode switching with a simple twist. What's particularly noteworthy is that this gadget is fully waterproof, making it reliable even in wet conditions. Its versatility extends to bikes, making it a valuable addition for various modes of transportation. With its array of features, this laser light not only addresses visibility concerns, but also adds an element of safety and flair to your vehicle. The cost of this item is $60. Number 2. 4K Ultra HD Car Dash Cam. This gadget is a crucial aid in the event of a car accident. It's a high-resolution dash cam that provides everything a driver needs. It records incredibly sharp 4K Ultra HD video, capturing every detail at a wide 170-degree angle. With its wide dynamic range, this camera handles various lighting conditions exceptionally well. The gadget also features a sizable 2.4-inch, 6.1-centimeter LCD screen for instant playback. With SD card support, You can have up to 256 gigabytes of storage for all your footage. Plus, when the card reaches full capacity, new recordings automatically overwrite the older ones. Additionally, it's Wi-Fi enabled, allowing you to easily transfer videos to your smartphone. Its compact size makes the camera almost invisible to other drivers, although they should still be cautious. The price range for this is $60. Number 1. Third-generation USB bore scope. If you need to look in tight spots in your car like the engine pipes, you'll want a good endoscope. This one can connect to smartphones, tablets, and computers using either a full-size USB or a micro USB. It has a flexible cable that can extend up to 16 feet. The camera has 5 megapixels, giving you clear and detailed pictures, even of tiny things. It can focus automatically and works well in the dark, thanks to a built-in light with 6 brightness levels. It comes with useful extras like a mirror, hook, and magnet, and it's completely waterproof. The price for this is $94. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on our latest videos and join a community of fellow enthusiasts. Thank you for watching.